Hi there, welcome to Jenna Fitness. Today we have a 15-minute wall Pilates workout focusing on upper body and abs. This will help build strength, define your muscles and burn fat. You're going to start standing facing the wall. Place your hands on the wall so your arms are fully outstretched, but don't lock your elbows. Your body should be on a very slight angle. You're going to warm up your shoulders by doing a shoulder isolation. Protract your scapula and shoulders, rolling them forward, pushing against the wall. Then retract, pressing your shoulders back and squeezing your scapula. No other body part should be moving, it's just your shoulders and upper back. Okay, remain in this position now and you're going to work your triceps. Press forward, hinging at your elbows until your forearms are flat against the wall. Push back through your hands, really working the triceps to the extended position. Again, it's just the arms doing the movement. Keep your back and legs straight. Okay, this next exercise looks almost identical, but in fact you're working your shoulders here. Unlike the last exercise where the movement come from your triceps, this time you're pushing forward, leaning into the wall through your shoulders like a regular push-up. Try to keep your elbows close to your body. Your elbows don't touch the wall here. Okay, come onto your knees now and press your hands against the wall with your arms outstretched. Lean into the wall like a regular push-up, but this time remove one hand and slide it underneath the other arm and extend it along the wall, slightly twisting your body. Alternate arms. Okay, last one for the arms against the wall. Stay on your knees and press your hands against it. Perform a push-up movement, but this time your elbows remain bent and you're doing a faster pulse movement. This keeps the resistance on your shoulders, really making them burn. Now you're coming into a semi-seated position, resting on your elbows. Place your elbows slightly behind your body and make sure your chest and shoulders remain open. Extend your legs up the wall. Slowly lift them away from the wall towards you and return. Don't let your upper body hunch towards your legs. It's just your legs doing the work here. Alright, remain in the same position and bring both legs to the left side, keeping them together. In a wiper motion, you're lifting your legs up and over to the other side. This requires strength from your hip flexors, and you also need to engage your abs. Don't move your body. Keep your shoulders and chest open. Now you're going to slide all the way into the wall so your glutes are pressed against it. Lie flat on your back with your arms overhead. While keeping your lower back pressed into the floor, you're going to perform slow controlled crunches reaching up towards your ankles. Make sure your abs are really squeezed tight and your neck and back are not doing the work. This is all coming from your core. Okay, you're halfway there. Take a short rest. Come onto your side now and place your elbow and forearm directly under your shoulder. Push up and hold this position. You're now going to dip your hips towards the ground and then push up towards the ceiling. Make sure your body doesn't swing backwards or forwards. Keep it centered. Repeat this on the other side. Now you're coming into a plank position with your feet pressed against the wall. Rest on your elbows, keeping them in line with your shoulders. Draw one leg up the side with your hip open. Return to the starting point and alternate legs. It's important to keep your core really tight and glutes squeezed. Don't let your hips sink or hunch your back. Okay, you're going to remain in the plank position now with your elbows in line with your shoulders. Keep your glutes squeezed and make sure your back and pelvis are straight. Push up and back through your arms, leading with your hips. Hold that stretch at the top. Keep your legs as straight as you can and lengthen through your spine and arms. Okay, with this exercise, you can choose from two versions. With both versions, you're going to start with your shoulders in line with your hands. For the advanced version, you're going to climb the wall and your upper body will be on a slight incline. This requires a lot of upper body strength. Start pushed away from the wall, shoulders over hands, and then push back towards the wall through your legs, slow and controlled. Come back to the starting position. This is excellent for defining your shoulder muscles and building shoulder strength. Lie on your front and extend your lower legs up the wall with your knees pressed against it. Extend your arms out in front of you, slightly off the ground, and then bring them in, placing your hands under your shoulders and push up through your arms, keeping your back straight. Slowly lower back down, keeping your elbows close to your body. You're not arching your back here. This is a push-up movement. Alright, come into a push-up now with your shoulders in line with your hands and feet pressed against the wall. Bring one leg in towards your chest, squeezing your abdominals, and push up through the ball of your foot into a raised position, then reverse the movement back down. Alternate legs. Okay, last two exercises. Come onto your back and extend your legs up the wall, keeping your hips slightly further out from the wall. Extend your arms above your head and lie flat with your lower back pressed into the floor. Contracting your abs tight, come into a double crunch, bringing your knees into your chest and wrapping your arms around them. Hold for a second, keeping your abs squeezed, and then release slowly and controlled back to the starting position. Your upper body remains raised. Last exercise, lie flat and place both feet against the wall so your legs are at a right angle. Press your lower back into the floor. Rest your hands at your sides with palms turned upwards. Perform pulse crunches, squeezing your abdominals tight. Don't strain your neck or shoulders, it's your core that is doing the work. Your abs remain contracted the whole time. Your upper body remains off the floor. Well done guys, great workout. Thank you so much for joining me and I'll see you in the next one.